This time, I thought I should make something to reflect my heritage. So here we are with a traditional Scottish dish with a few variations of my own. Start with a chunk of beef. Here I have a kilo of rump. For that much beef, we will need 3/4 of a kilo of onions and also 3/4 of a kilo of potatoes. I'm using 2 waxy ones and 1 floury one. Now, half as much again of carrots and of swede. I will use all of that corn of garlic. Use less if that's too much for your taste. Good extra virgin olive oil and salt and pepper, of course. I throw in a small handful of currants. These add some sweetness and also acidity and replace the traditional brown sugar and vinegar, a good dash of Worcester sauce, and of course some stout. The old folks talked about the black ale from Edinburgh, but in Australia I would use nothing less than Cooper's. Along with the vegetables, I add a bouquet garni. In this one there is thyme, oregano and a few bay leaves. Cut up the onion and garlic and we're ready to start. To begin, we sear our meat on all sides. I like to sear it quite well. Just finishing this piece now. You notice that I've got this on very high heat. Well, we've done it now. And now we'll add a good dash of good quality olive oil and put in our onions, which we've already chopped, and saute our onions down. In goes our garlic now. A good lash of black pepper, freshly ground. Things are smelling very good here, I can tell you. There we go. Now we'll saute now for another minute or so. And now we have a nice little bed on which we can rest our meat. Gently put that back in there. A few juices came out while it's sitting there. This is where we put in our nice stout. The whole bottle of that in. Add some stock to bring the liquid level just below the top of the meat. Lid back on. That's going to simmer ever so gently for about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, but needs time. After a while, check the fluid level and throw in the currants. Sometime soon, chop up your vegetables. Wash them thoroughly and do not peel them. If you do, you are throwing away both nutrition and flavour. Oh, it smells wonderful. I wish you could smell it. Well, now it's time for our veggies to go in. We need to top up the stock a little bit now. Also at this stage, we had our Worcestershire sauce. A good dash probably amounts to about a tablespoon. And a bouquet garni. Make sure that's submerged. And some salt. Now, I add some salt at this stage, and maybe 10-15 minutes before time for serving, we can test it and adjust the salt if necessary. So the amount I'm adding is a bit on the conservative side. That goes in, lid on, and we simmer that for another hour and a half. A bit longer if you wish, doesn't matter.
A floral table centre should always reflect the theme of the meal. I will make one to complement the traditional Scottish cottage theme. I've soaked an oasis ring and will now add the green foliage. Always put the greenery in first to cover the green oasis sponge. You should avoid what I would call a ballerina skirt, the same width all the way round. Here I have used camellia leaves and strands of ivy. Camellia leaves from the garden always are a little dusty, so I have wiped each leaf with a wet paper towel. These flowers are Sweet William in a selection of various colours. Group the colours for impact, staggering the height for a three-dimensional effect. A tall candle in the centre will finish off the arrangement and create a warm and inviting atmosphere. For a less formal occasion, you may wish to place a bunch of Scottish thistles into a simple glass jar.
The family have been enjoying the aroma of the dish for hours now, so take 2 forks, help the meat to fall apart, stir it through the rest, and serve it up so they can enjoy it.